All right, now, I get it. You want the tech news. Calm down. Give me a second. Have you tried some controlled breathing? Might help. All right, let's get into it. We all know CES time is upon us. Some new things being announced, some things we kind of expected. But yeah, let's talk about some of the cool things that I found. So Samsung actually released a cool new little mini projector. It's about the size of like a coffee can or something like that, if you ever seen one. It's about $8.99 is the retail price. So it's full HD. It goes up to 100 inches. It can be portable, but it does plug into power. You can buy some accessories like a battery pack, a carrying case. There's even a light socket attachment that lets you screw it into a light socket, and that can be the mount, which that's actually kind of cool. So you don't have to physically mount it to your ceiling or anything like that. It is available for pre-order on Samsung's website, so you can actually head over there and check that out. I'll actually leave the link down below so you can go check it out and see if you want to get it. But let me know if you're interested in something like that. I kind of want to know. All right, all my gamers, unfortunately, E3 this year has been canceled again. So last year was the first year it went all digital amidst everything going on. So they didn't want to, of course, cause any type of spreading or anything like that. So they went strictly online only. Kind of sucks because some people look forward to that kind of stuff all year round. They want to see all the new game announcements in person, things like that. But I mean, it's for the better good of people. Now the Gamer Developer Conference, though, that is still going to be an in-person event from March 21st to the 25th this year. So at least you can go to that if you want to look forward to something that involves video games. But it just kind of sucks that E3 is not going to be in person this year. If you're a gamer or if you're in the gamer space, then you've probably heard of Razer. Razer actually last year came out with their Project Hazel, now Zephyr. They just announced Zephyr Pro, which is their newer mask iteration. It actually has some pretty cool stuff. So it actually has like a speaker on the bottom now, so you can amplify your voice when you're talking, because last year it sounded a little bit muffled. It wasn't the best. And now it has these really good N95 mask filters, which is really cool, that you replace every 3 days. They have a starting kit that starts off at $199, and I think it's $150 or $180 for the mask. I'll have to double check, and I'll leave the price and link down below. But it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool because you can customize everything through the app. You can control, if I'm not mistaken, the volume of the speaker, stuff like that. And of course, it's Razer. It has RGB. Why wouldn't it? But yeah, I mean, you can customize the chroma colors and all that stuff through the Chroma app on your phone. So it's pretty neat, kind of cool. I tried to do the beta testing when it first came out, but I guess they gave it to all the big influencers rather than normal people. So it's kind of sucks because I wanted to do a review on it and I just didn't have the money to buy it at the time. And so, I mean, I might invest into it later on, but right now, no, not so much. But yeah, let me know if you plan on getting one, and if you already have one or getting one, let me know. And I kind of want to know what your thoughts on it are. When you thought one folding phone from Samsung was enough, you'd be sorely mistaken. They actually came out with two new series of folding devices. There's like a tablet, another phone. There's even a laptop. So yeah, there's a new G Fold phone that kind of folds in and on top of itself. Has a single camera, a little punch-out camera on the right side of the phone, or I guess you if you hold it like a phone, the top part. But it also comes with a pen. It has a slot for the pen. Now this is just the demo. This is just this isn't real right now. So it's definitely it's a prototype. I couldn't think of the word. But hopefully something cool comes from this. There's also a tablet. There's a new 13-inch laptop as well. The laptop I'm actually kind of interested in. I'm really interested in because it's the same size as a 13-inch laptop when you fold it open clamshell style, and then when you fold it flat, it turns into a giant tablet. But it's just gonna be weird typing on a glass screen, so it's just kind of weird. Let me know what your thoughts on that are, because I'm interested. I want to see where this goes. All right, here we go with the copycats again. Now it's Google's turn, because we all know that Google and Apple trade blows copying each other. It's not one or the other more than the next. So they do it to each other. And I'm a Google fanboy, so I'm not going to just blame Apple. So it's everybody. But so we all know the Apple ecosystem is actually really cool. It's super cohesive. Everything works great. Like being able to take a picture on your smartphone and have it immediately available in your iCloud right after that is kind of cool. So you can go to your computer and it's already there. You can just pull it up, edit, do whatever you need to. Whereas on Google, I haven't found a super seamless way to do it. Like they did implement OneDrive, and so because like on Samsungs, and I have the Fold, the Samsungs, you take a picture and you have a sync set to OneDrive. Now it's not instantaneous. It's not like when you take it, it's already on your computer or wherever, and you have to manually go in and transfer over. And I found that kind of inconvenient because if me as a content creator, everything is time sensitive. Like I take a picture, I want to have it immediately available so I can add it, edit it, put my thumbnail up, whatever. But being able to do that would be really nice. They're also talking about like their AirDrop. So Google possibly making something like AirDrop or the ability to share, like they do have Nearby Share, but you have to have an Android device to do that. And so hopefully Google like comes out with like an app or something like that, lets you do it across all devices. So we can only wait and see. I'm ready. Hopefully you are too. Now my tech tip of the week is going to be if you guys own a laptop or more likely own a smartphone or a tablet or something with a built-in battery, please don't leave it plugged in overnight or while you're using it, because it can only degrade that battery faster. So it's kind of like taking a sledgehammer to a brick wall. It's just going to wear out and get knocked down sooner or later. So right before you go to bed, a couple hours before, plug it in, let it charge, and then unplug it before you go to sleep, turn it off, and it'll be fully charged when you wake up in the morning. Guarantee it. So help make the longevity life of your devices last. So my little tip. Well, that's all I got for you this week. So make sure you get subscribed so you can catch the next one. Come on back by when I got some more useless information for you. But yeah, until next time though, love y'all. Stay blessed.